Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Meg's Inspirational Corner. Today I'm going to show you how to make a quick, what I call spaghetti jollof. So on your pan, on the fire, put your pan or your wok in it, make sure it is heated. Add a bit of oil into the pan, any oil of your choice. So I've got in here vegetable cooking oil. You can use coconut oil, any oil of your preference, you can use that, and just put it on and leave it for it to be a bit hot. In here I've got my ginger, garlic with paste, so put it together. So that's the paste, you just add it into your oil and just stir it. Make sure it's everywhere and just leave it in to stir. So it's just a paste that I've already done. So it's garlic, ginger paste. You can add onions to your paste as well, but I didn't add onions in this one. So you give it a bit of a stir so it becomes a bit brown. Then in goes your minced beef. And then at this stage, so I just took maybe 1 cup of minced beef, but you can add whatever amount you want. And you just stir till you get the golden brown that you're looking for. So once you've got your golden brown minced meat, you just add in a bit of vegetable. So if you've got any mixed vegetables in the fridge, you can just put them all together, or you can make or buy mixed vegetables from the shop, and then you can just add it. So what you do, you stir that up a bit as well for about 2 to 3 minutes. So after 2 to 3 minutes on the fire, I've got a bit of a mixture here, and basically this mixture is a bit of gourmet sauce, some dark soy sauce, can you see? Yes, and some Worcester sauce, and I've just added a bit of honey to give it a bit of a sweetness. So that's what I've done here. And now what you do, you just put in the pan gently, add it gently to your sauce. So that's what I'm doing, and then mix it to get a bit of the taste to blend in. So you just mix it for some time. Okay, I haven't added any salt to it yet because all these ingredients have salt to it. So when I'm cooking, I try to reduce the amount of salt intake that we have. So I haven't added any salt at all, but you can add salt to it for your taste. But to me, all these ingredients have salt, so there's no need for me to add any more salt. So in here I've got my cooked spaghetti, and the trick is, sometimes when you cook spaghetti and put it down, they stick together. The trick is to when you take it out of the water, just put a bit of oil in it. It separates it so that they don't stick together. So I'll put some of the spaghetti into the pan or into our mixture, and then what you do is you just mix them gradually, because you want it evenly in the thing in your mixture, so everywhere has to get it. So you just give it a gentle taste. This is what I call spaghetti jollof. You can call it whatever you want to call it. You can name it, give it any name of your choice, but I prefer to call it spaghetti jollof. So that's all I do. I add more. The reason why I don't do all of them together is I want to make sure they are properly mixed evenly all together. So I do it gradually. So that's all you do. You get that lovely texture or that lovely look. And then I add a bit, remember my stock or my mixture, just add a bit more of the mixture to it. and then you give it a good stir as well. Make sure that everything is evenly mixed together. Yes, so it's all ready. This is a very quick meal. So your spaghetti with minced beef, or what I call it spaghetti jollof, is ready to enjoy. So I will just dish some in here for you. Now it's all ready to enjoy. Okay, so why don't you try it? Bon appetit. I'm going to enjoy it. Thank you very much for watching my channel. Make sure you subscribe and you like. Thank you.